Okay, so this particular research problem is that in NDDS I'm getting the 3D annotation cuboid surrounding the entire mesh, but I need the cuboid only surrounding this pen. So I reached out to the NDDS authors and contributors. What they suggested is this: to first create a blueprint of this pen, the annotated actor, just as before the original dataset, the initial datasets. In here, I'm just using just a dummy pen in here. I have not modified it or perfected it. So you have your 3D bounding box that are surrounding your target object. So this is our annotated actor, and then what you do is that you create another blueprint for only a static mesh. So was the original mesh, static mesh, and then you add a child component and attach this pen with this static mesh. And for this particular problem, I made them both static, so they will not be moving or jumping around in the level, in DDS level. So after you do that, what you can do is that you can actually position your pen just as you wish. So and but still the 3D bounding box will be only surrounding this object, it will not be surrounding the entire mesh. So that's one way to do it. So if I run this thing in the level, what you see is that you get images of this entire thing for the entire blueprint, but you only get the annotated actors annotation. So this kind of solves our problem. Now in order to actually solve this problem properly, there are two options. Option number one is to first delete or edit this pen out from all the 3D scans I have, and then take it to NDDS. So this model will be missing this pen, and try to adjust this pen in here manually. But obviously the scales will have to be right, the positioning have to be right, but this will not cause problem, because once I set this once properly after some work, they will always be the same whenever I load them in any level and take pictures. And the option number two is that I can use rigged hand models, which I also am pretty interested to learn, is this. So you can rig your hand models. You can rig your hand models. You can give any sort of finger position. You can make it hold a pen. You can make it hold a tablet or anything like that. So I have tutorials in here, so I can repeat that. The advantage for this is that the model will be obviously better than at least this model probably, and probably it will be easier, maybe. I don't know. So these are the two options. Either options will work for us, because although you saw that it's not being around, it's static, we are planning to move the camera around the object instead of moving the object around the camera. So this will work for us. So this is the current state of solving this problem right now. Thank you.